Good afternoon, YouTubers. Just going to do a small video on the rust of this pillars, front windscreen pillars on this Toyota Tazz. So I can see how it looks on the moment. The windscreen we took out, cleaned the rust up to get all the body filler and stuff the previous guy put in, of that previous guy done the body. Put newspaper and body filler in and glass fiber. So we're going to be repairing these pillars by welding new pieces of plating, and you can see it's all round windscreen. I can't put another windscreen in here until all this is repaired. Now some people say they people do body work and rust repairs, and then they put newspaper and body filler in holes. So I removed all the body filler and paper, and some places they even used the glass fiber. I don't believe in using body filler and newspaper in holes. You want to replace the rust, cut the rust out, put plating in, weld the plating in, either lead wipe it and then fill it with a skim layer or body filler to smooth it out, to finish it off. But otherwise don't go and put newspaper. And you can see on this corner, I don't know if you can see well, it is glass fibered. So I'm going to be removing this bonnet and the fenders to repairing over there, and repair all this properly. And I'll make a video as soon as I start cutting and welding plating in. I'll do small videos and show you how the progress is. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up and please subscribe, it will help me. Thank you.